Hi, I'm Colby with WTI, and today I want to share with you an accessory for your camera that will change the way you film. It's this flash hot shoe to tripod screw adapter by Neewer. This small adapter is so easy to use and unlocks so much potential in your camera. This adapter allows you to make your camera usable in so many different circumstances. Do you have low lighting? Why not add a LED light? Are you looking to do some field recording and want to improve your audio? Why don't you mount a field recorder directly on top? The build quality of this adapter is so good, you don't have to worry about it slipping or falling. It sticks on there like glue. You can be confident with anything that you mount on here, even some more heavy items like this field recorder. All in all, I love this adapter from Neewer. It takes my videos to the next level, and I'm sure it will help you adapt to any situation. That's my point of view.